21st of March 2025, we have Säveltie, Toonvägen. What was number 3 or
5?
5?
Or yeah, 5. But yeah, it said 9 somewhere. I think it's 5.
It's 5, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the Stegis
Yeah.
Also här in Pukinmäki boxgata. Klassiska sportsåsen i Finland. 6 års, built in 1980 by ValmetSchlieren. The university is 5715.
Yeah. Outside it's 9, but also in Oikotie it's 5, so it's 5.
On the information panels, it's at number 5 also.
Yeah.
Oh. You have to write. But there's
Yeah. The in-use light doesn't work here.
no memory, but it doesn't need it.
Yeah.
Alright, it sounds as well.
Same here.
They're not.
Yeah, niin speedbikevaihtoehto, that made it back on.
Because it just sounded like they were not going out yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much.
That's